Hey there, food lovers. This is Marie Lee from Marie Lee Cuisine, where we explore the delightful world of culinary creations. In this video, I'll show you how to make restaurant-style shrimp fried rice in under 20 minutes. Let's dive right in. These are the main ingredients that you will need to make this flavorful and satisfying shrimp fried rice. Very easy. I'm starting off by dicing some garlic. I'm dicing these into small pieces, making sure they're very minced so they can really blend in with all the other ingredients that I'll be chopping. Moving on to my green onions in similar fashion. I want to make sure that these pieces are very small, so diced very well so they can be blended with the other ingredients for the perfect shrimp fried rice. Time to move on to sauteing the shrimp. So I'm starting off by adding some oil in my pot. I want to make sure that this oil is heated on medium, and then afterwards I'll add my shrimp pieces here and add in some black pepper, followed by some Himalayan salt. Then I'll be adding some Old Bay seasoning. And then I'll be finishing this off with all-purpose seasoning. Now with all these dry seasoning here, I want to mix it all together in the shrimp pieces so it's distributed evenly. It's time to do the scrambled eggs, so I'm pouring my beaten eggs into the pan and I'm gonna scramble until cooked. Time to cook the vegetables, and I'm using some rice vinegar. I'm not using oil because this is a heart healthy fried rice. I'll be starting out with the sweet peas, followed by some corn, then the chopped onions, minced garlic, and finally some sweet peas. At this time you want to mix everything together on medium heat. The goal here is to mix all the ingredients until they are tender. After that you want to add in your cooked rice. continue to stir. Time to pour some soy sauce. You stir and combine everything together. The consistent stirring will ensure that everything is mixed in and blend well together. Add it in the eggs. Eggs look so good. Very close to the grand finale, there goes the shrimp. You continue to stir. Look at that, very colorful and flavorful. It's not greasy at all. Heart-healthy shrimp fried rice. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Remember to leave some comments down below if you like what you see. Also, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Marie Lee fans, thank you so much.